Unlock your learning potential with the Feynman Technique. Hey there, savvy learners! Ever stumbled upon a topic that feels like trying to untangle a pair of earphones that have been in your pocket for way too long? Yeah, we've all been there. Luckily, there's this super cool method called the Feynman Technique, which is here to banish those brain fog moments and amp up your understanding of literally any topic. Let's dive right in. Who is this Feynman guy anyway? Before we spill the beans on the technique, let's talk about the man behind the method. Richard Feynman was a Nobel Prize-winning physicist who was super-duper famous for making super complicated stuff easy to understand. So basically, he was the real MVP in the world of learning. Breaking it down, the Feynman Technique. All right, let's break down this magical method step by step. 1. Choose your topic. Grab a piece of paper and jot down the topic you want to master. It could be anything from solving a tricky math problem to understanding the plot twist in your favorite series. 2. Study it. Dive deep into your topic. Read books, watch videos, or even attend lectures if you can. The key here is to absorb as much information as possible. 3. Teach it. Now, here comes the fun part. Imagine you have to explain this topic to a younger sibling or a friend who has zero knowledge about it. Try to use simple language and avoid jargon. You can even use fun analogies or create a mini-story to make your explanation exciting. For example, if you're explaining the photosynthesis process, you might say, "Okay, so plants are like little factories that use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their food and give out oxygen." 4. Identify the gaps. While teaching, you might stumble upon areas where you get stuck. That's your golden ticket. It shows you the exact spots where you need to focus more during your next study session. 5. Review and simplify. Go back to your source materials and fill in those gaps. Try to simplify the information even more until you can explain it in a way that even a 5-year-old would understand. The Feynman Technique in action. To give you a taste of how it works, let's pretend we are learning about the water cycle. Step 1 and 2. We pick the topic water cycle and study all about evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and so on. Step 3. Now we teach it. Okay, so the water cycle is kind of like taking a water ride at an amusement park. The water goes up into the sky, evaporates, forms clouds, condenses, and then comes down as rain, precipitates, only to go on the ride all over again. Step 4 and 5. During teaching, we realize we are not sure why clouds form, so we review our materials and learn it's because of the cooling of water vapor high up in the sky. Now, we update our story with this new information. Why you should try it. The Feynman Technique is not just a study method, it's a way to understand the world more clearly. Plus, it promotes active learning, helping you to remember information for a longer period. So there you have it, young scholars. Give the Feynman Technique a try and unlock a whole new level of understanding. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy learning!